Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're doing a review on the Zagg InvisibleShield glass XTR2. I'm going to be putting this on my iPhone 13. So it's an older iPhone model, and LifeProof stopped making the case that I liked for it. So I'm going to try out basically just one of these nice cases that gives you a lot of protection but doesn't have any screen protector. So I'm going to put a screen protector on it as well. So let's open the box here. Go ahead and just got these little plastic dividers are on there pretty good. See if I can find something sharp like a pair of scissors. And there we go. Let's see if we can get it open. Well packaged. Nice. And I'll put a link down below where you can buy one of these if you're interested. There we go. Still having trouble with the packaging. All right. Let's open this up. So it comes with like a little stencil you put your phone in that helps you get the glass on there. You should register it because if once it kind of wears out, you can actually get a replacement. So here they got the little alcohol wipe, a little sticker to help remove dust, and then a cleaner cloth, a little cloth as well. I think this is the actual glass. And then some more warranty information with the package. So let's see if there's what the instructions look like, or if there are instructions. So there's the glass. Okay, here we go. Found some instructions here. So it looks like you clean it, put the phone into the holder, then you line it up. Let's see if it so this layer goes down. So you peel this off while the phone's in here, and you put it down on there. All right, so let me get started here. So we're going to start by cleaning off the screen with the alcohol pad. This is pretty good. They do put a nice alcohol pad in here that seems to have a lot of moisture. Good time to clean the sides as well. Here you can see I do have a few small scratches on there. I didn't even really notice. So it's a good thing I'm putting on this protector. Prevent any more. All right. Then we'll use the microfiber cloth. Just clean off the remaining moisture. Get around the edges of the screen. And then next we will use the dust removal sticker. I'm just going to start at the top. Go over the whole phone. Get as much dust as I can off. So far there's not a lot of dust on there. But again, even if you just get one little fleck off, this part is worth it. Looks like I just got a little bit off there. Especially at the bottom of the screen here, there's some kind of dust I'd like to get off here. Then we will put it in our holder. Take another look at it, make sure there's no dust. Go over with the sticker one more time. Can't do this enough times really. Get as much dust off as you can. And then without delay, let's go ahead. Basically you want to peel this back part off without touching the screen. And then you're going to very carefully, this part must go on top. So now it's just kind of suspended above your screen. It's already kind of doing its thing. It's kind of installing itself. It's kind of cool. You see it kind of run down. But it's a good idea to press in the middle, press on the sides here. And then you kind of lift up on each end. Give it some more time to install. And then you kind of just slowly peel this off. Now you have the glass screen installed. Go ahead and wipe it down. And there you go, guys. That was really easy. It looks nice. Covers up any of those small little scratches I had. Makes the screen kind of look brand new. And this does give you like a little bit of a blue tint. Anti-reflection, which is kind of nice. So overall, guys, I'm pretty happy with how the install went. It was pretty easy. I'm going to go ahead and register it in case it breaks. I can get a new one. If you guys got any questions, put them in the comments below. If you like this kind of content, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel. I do a lot of product reviews. I'll do a long-term review on this, so subscribe so you don't miss that. I'll catch you all next time.